Last Thursday night, Mumford Restoration welcomed guests for a special Thirst for Architecture event in partnership with NCModernist. It was an evening built around connection, conversation, and a shared appreciation for mid-century modern design. For one night, the focus was not just architecture, but the furniture, makers, and craftsmanship that helped define the movement.
Well, I have been involved with George's organization in the past, and so I get all their emails and I follow through. But when I saw that it was Mumford, I had to come look because I've always been fascinated with Mumford's work. And then tonight, it's not just this kind of restoration, it's the upholsterers here working, and the guy, I was able to work on a lathe and they're doing a rail car restoration, but it's just fun to see it. I have such an appreciation for wood that gets renewed and restored.
Pieces like this restored Broyhill Brasilia gave guests a chance to see not only the beauty of mid-century design, but what careful restoration can bring back. Other pieces carried a more personal history, furniture loved for decades, then carefully restored so it can continue to be part of daily life.
I have a piece that Mumford helped restore, and so they wanted to showcase it, and it's awesome. I do enjoy the aesthetic and the clean lines, and I love this piece that I've had for over 20 years.
Throughout the evening, visitors were able to see craftsmanship up close, the kind of work that takes patience, knowledge, and respect for the original piece. At Mumford, restoration is never one size fits all. Every object is considered on its own terms, whether it's sentimental, historic, or architecturally significant. And while mid-century furniture may have been the focus of the evening, it also pointed to something bigger. Mumford restores more than many people expect. For Bernard Mumford and George Smart, the evening was about more than gathering people in one room. It was about connecting restoration, architecture, and the stories behind mid-century design.
George sold me on it. I was really thrilled with the connection. And I thought, well, we got to do something.
What I like about this place, about Mumford Restoration, is you can get a painting restored, you can get a sofa restored, you can get a chair restored, you can get a train car restored. Now, I know most of you have train cars ready to go, so their operators are standing by right here to redo your train car.
Events like this bring people together around design, preservation, and craftsmanship. And at Mumford, that work goes far beyond furniture.